Hey there, tech-savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for smarter online shopping. Today, we're tackling how to use Afterpay on Amazon in 2025. If you're tired of paying for everything upfront, Afterpay is your new best friend. It's a buy now pay later service that lets you split payments over a few weeks with zero interest if you pay on time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have an Afterpay account. If you don't, head over to the Afterpay website or app and sign up. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your details. Once you're logged in, link your bank account or debit card to start using it seamlessly. Now, onto Amazon. Open the Amazon app or website and browse for your favorite items as usual. When you're ready to check out, look for the payment options at the checkout page. In 2025, Afterpay should be prominently displayed if you're eligible. Amazon has integrated it fully by now. Select Afterpay as your payment method, and you'll be redirected to the Afterpay portal to confirm your purchase. Next, Afterpay will run a quick credit check. Don't worry, it's soft and won't affect your credit score much. Approve the payment plan, which typically splits the cost into 4 equal installments over 6 weeks. Double-check the details, like the due dates, to avoid any late fees. Once approved, your order will process just like any other Amazon purchase. A few pro tips for 2025. Always ensure your Afterpay account is up to date, as Amazon might require real-time verification. Also, remember that not all items qualify. High-value or restricted products might not be eligible. And hey, use this responsibly to build better shopping habits. There you have it, folks. You're now equipped to use Afterpay on Amazon and shop smarter in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.